everyone! It's about a month since I uploaded a video on setting up a vertical hydroponic tower, so it's time for an update, and here is the tower today. Everything is growing nicely, and overall I'm happy with the tower, but there are some issues that I found with my setup. I'll talk about that in a bit, but first let's see what's growing in here. This tower is called the Foodie Tower, and it comes with 44 planting holes and 44 net cups. I planted a variety of things in here to see what would do well and what wouldn't. I also placed the hydroponic tower into a grow tent. This is a Mars Hydro grow tent. And I brought some of my outdoor plants from the deck into the grow tent as well. Right away, I had a lighting issue. I set up this Mars Hydro LED light. It's a TSL 2000. And it has 684 LEDs with great coverage for the grow tent. Except I had the vertical tower on one side reaching up high and the plants from the deck on the other side of the tent down near the floor level. When I installed the grow light above the vertical tower, it was too far away from the plants on the floor. The TSL 2000 is a 2-foot by 4-foot light, so it has a rectangular shape. I swapped it out for 2 square-shaped grow lights instead. These are 2-foot by 2-foot, also from Mars Hydro. And now I can adjust one down close to the plants on the floor of the grow tent and one above the hydroponic tower. So what's growing in here? Here at the top level of the tower, I have dill and parsley growing, and this is a radish plant that doesn't look like it's going to grow a radish. But the dill and parsley are doing fine, as is the basil. This reddish-looking plant is opal basil, and this plant behind it is lemon basil. I grew these from cuttings I took off the mother plants. These mother plants I grew from seed, but these you see here I snipped off from the original plant and just put it into a cup of water until it grew some roots. And now I have another plant. On the second level of the hydroponic tower, I have Bok Choy growing. I grew these from seeds, and this variety seems to produce a smaller plant with smaller leaves. Still, it's tasty and easy to grow. I also have another basil plant growing here. This is Thai basil, and if you rub the leaves and smell it, it smells like licorice. Down on the third level, I have some more parsley growing, as well as a variety of lettuce plants and some more basil. And down at the bottom, I have some more radish plants. Just leaves. It doesn't look like I'll get any radishes out of these. And in the back, you can see here some more basil. This really needs some pruning. I've been meaning to harvest the leaves and make pesto or dehydrate the leaves. I just didn't get around to it. On the floor here, I have some plants that were out on the deck, but we had some very bad weather that nearly destroyed the plants, so I brought them inside, but I think I'm going to clean these out and start some new plants. I got a fresh packet of Tiny Tim tomato seeds, and I'll be growing some of these in soil containers through the winter. The hydroponic tower came with these rapid rooter plugs. I'm setting up an experiment with the Tiny Tim tomato seeds to see how well the seeds do in these plugs compared with rockwool. What do you think? Will the seeds in the rapid rooter plugs germinate more quickly, and will they do better than the rockwool? We'll wait and see. Until then, thanks for watching. Bye.